about what you're doing.
Welding.
Welding what?
Welding support for the train, all train parts.
He was working on a stainless steel desk that is specifically designed for a local pharmaceutical company that it's all stainless steel, it's TIG welded, and it has to be burr free and inclusion free, no little nooks or crannies for bacteria. We're very excited. We're of course sad that we're not going to have Willie here with us every day, but he'll be a phone call away, and we're losing another estimator who's retiring, but we got some young guns coming on that'll be able to take care of the job, and the future looks good.